I'm basically a chartered, by education I'm a chartered accountant and I've done my CFA. I was working in PwC in the transfer pricing team, and simultaneously I was also leading the CSR initiative of PwC India Foundation. I always wanted to be a change maker, but the reason why I wanted to be a change maker is something which goes straight to my background. I've been living in the slums for a majority portion of my time, and the major goal was to just get out of the poverty and just lead a peaceful life. But then suddenly one of my cousins attempted to commit suicide. So at that moment I realized that there was something beyond just going out of poverty and helping others also do something, get out of poverty. So I started helping him out. I started funding his education. He stopped studying, so I funded his education. He became a graduate. And at that time I realized that there's something more that I can do, just not just to my family, immediate family members, but also to the society as a whole. So I started indulging, getting involved in the CSR initiatives of PwC India Foundation, where I was dealing with lots of social enterprises, NGOs and all. But at that moment I realized that there is something more that people can do rather than just running NGOs, and run an operation which is much more sustainable, and which it calls for a market-based approach. And that's how I realized there's this space called social enterprise, social entrepreneurship. And considering my skills, the way I can help in social enterprise is through impact investment, through investing in this social enterprises. And that's why I wanted to work in this space, impact investment space. And the fellowship gave the best opportunity to explore myself, to learn everything, to unlearn whatever I've learned in the beginning, and to put my feet in the door of social entrepreneurship and impact investment. So that's why I decided to come for the Wilco Fellowship. So the biggest learning was how to work with entrepreneurs. So meeting entrepreneurs, understanding the passion, understanding the energies, looking at the impact that they're doing, what motivates them, what kind of struggles they're facing, how Wilgrow is helping them, how the entire ecosystem is developing and helping the social entrepreneurship space and the impact investments. The role of impact investments is something that I've learned during the course of the fellowship, which is just 4 months now. But still, there are lots of things that I've learned, lots of perception that I had to let go of because of things that I've learned during this journey of last 4 months. The major aspiration before the fellowship was to work in the impact investment space, to start my own impact investment fund. But considering there are lots of changes that are happening all over the world, there is new crowdfunding space that has come up, and I can see a great opportunity that the crowdfunding space can play in social entrepreneurship and funding entrepreneurs. So I would really like to explore this space and create my own crowdfunding platform, so that rather than reaching just 100 entrepreneurs, we can reach thousands or 10,000s of entrepreneurs.